everyone, and welcome to today's writing lesson. Today we are learning to write a character description. To be successful today, you should be able to say and do these things. I can use adjectives to describe a character. I can write one sentence about a character's appearance, so what they look like. I can write one sentence about a character's personality, so what type of person are they? And I can write one sentence about what my character likes to do, so their actions. The materials that you will need today are your writing book, a pencil, and the Tuesday activity slides. For the first activity today, you are going to be writing a character description of one of the characters from the story The Three Ninja Pigs. Before you start this activity, you might need to read the story again, so you can click on the link to the story The Three Ninja Pigs on the Writing Home Learning page for today. Once you've listened to the story, you need to brainstorm some adjectives to describe the character. So I want you to be thinking about, what does the character look like? What type of person is the character? Are they friendly? Are they nasty? Are they brave? Are they energetic? And what does your character do? You then need to write your description, and if you can look on the right side of the screen, you will see that there's a bit of a template that you can use to help you write that. If you would like to print this out, there is a link on our home learning page as well. The character that you are going to be describing today is the third pig, so everyone will be writing about the same character. If you would like to pick another character at the end from the story, you can definitely write your own, but for now we are just writing a character description about the third pig. Because we haven't done this activity before, I'm going to break it down into some smaller chunks for you to do. So the first part of the activity we're going to start with is the appearance. So appearance means, what does the character look like? So if you can see down in the left-hand corner, I've got some words there to describe the pictures of Pig 3 on the screen. So she's pink, she's a girl, she has brown hair, she has a black belt, and she's also a pig. I've also got here an example of a sentence that you can have a look at before you start writing. So you can see that I have the title up the top that says appearance. That just tells me which part of the character description you are starting to write. And then underneath my title I have the sentence, Pig 3 is a pink pig with brown hair and a black belt. This tells me a little bit about what the character looks like. Once you have written your sentence about what Pig 3 looks like, you can draw a picture of Pig 3. For the next part of the activity, we are going to be looking at the personality of our character. So that means what type of person the character is. Are they kind? Are they honest? Are they hardworking? Are they energetic? Are they quiet? Maybe they're shy. All of those things that describe our character and what they're like as a person. So to help you write your sentence about the personality, I have put some snippets of the story on your screen, so you can have a read of those ones, or you can go back to the video and watch the story again and listen for some words that describe the character. I've also put on the side of the screen some character traits for you to have a look at. So if you're still stuck and you're not sure, you can read through those words and you can pick out some that you think best describe Pig 3. I've also put down the bottom my example sentence, and you'll notice I've got the title personality at the top to tell my teacher what part of the story or what part of the description I am writing. And my sentence says, Pig 3 is persistent because she doesn't give up on her karate training. So you'll notice in my sentence, I have used the word persistent to describe the character. And then I've actually given a reason why she is persistent. So to get my reason, I read the story and I used what I knew in the story that happened in the story to write my reason. So I know that she worked really hard, whereas her other two siblings didn't work quite as hard. They gave up. So I wrote that sentence based on that information from the story. So you might choose something else. You might say that she is strong. You might say that she is brave. You might say that she is hardworking. But I'd like you to write one sentence about what type of person Pig 3 is. Off you go. For the last part of the activity, you are going to be writing a sentence about the action. So what does Pig 3 do? What actions does she do? And in the story, there are lots of actions that she does that is talked about in the text. So I've put some snippets here for you to read, or you can go back and listen to the story again. And I've also put an example down the bottom for you to have a look at. You'll notice I've still got my title at the top that says action, and then underneath I have my sentence that says Pig 3 does cartwheels, butterfly kicks, and breaks boards. And I've used things that I have read in the book, so I haven't made anything up. I've just used the parts that I know. So now it's your turn to go and write a sentence about what Pig 3 does. So this page is just showing you an example of what yours should look like in your book. So up the top it says character description with the date, that's our title. And then we have some little subheadings that tell us the different parts of our character description. So it says character name, Pig 3, appearance, Pig 3 is a pink pig with brown hair and a black belt. Personality, Pig 3 is persistent because she doesn't give up on her karate training. And the action, Pig 3 does cartwheels, butterfly kicks, and breaks boards. So that's what yours should look like. Remember, if you would like to, you can print out the template that you can see on the right side of your screen, and that there is a link to that on our home learning page.